Now, 5 years after Cohen appeared before Congress, Trump will be in court today for a key hearing on the upcoming trial, and he just arrived moments ago. This, of course, is the Stormy Daniels case. Joining us now from outside the courthouse in Lower Manhattan is MSNBC host and reporter Yasmin Vousoughian. Yasmin, what can we expect today?
So you're taking a look, Mika, and I just want to kind of give you the lay of the land because I'm outside the courthouse now here in downtown Manhattan. The former president speaking at those cameras. We have cameras trained outside of the courtroom there. That's where the former president is speaking now. And I'm going to be looking down at my phone as I speak to you. Just to kind of let you know that we have Adam Reese inside, one of our producers inside the courtroom, kind of giving us a play-by-play of what's happening inside the courtroom. I know DA Alvin Bragg is inside the courtroom now, along with other prosecutors as well, along with one of the former president's attorneys, Susan Nicholas, and some of her associates as well. So they're going to be up and going pretty quickly here. Let's talk quickly about the motions that Judge Merchan is going to be overseeing and deciding on today, and that is the motion to dismiss filed by the former president of the United States. The arguments essentially that are being made here are that he sees this as being political, right? That Alvin Bragg is going after him because he's seeing this as a kind of political fight, right? They're seeing this also as a statute of limitations, right? So much time, too much time, they're saying and arguing has passed. They're also making the argument that this is about the former president's personal finances and that this was just a one and done deal. And yet there's 34 counts being leveled against him. My sources, a lot of legal experts are also saying Judge Merchan is not going to accept any of these motions and that this trial will move forward. So the date that we're looking at, Mika and Joe, March 25th, right? It's pretty astounding. I think if we had talked about this 8 months ago, we would have thought Jack Smith's case in D.C. would have gone first. It's astounding. Right. I think a lot of folks are surprised that this is the case that is going to be going first, it seems. And whether or not it's March 25th, it could toggle a couple of days here or there. But it's looking like that date is going to go forward. Let me say one more thing here, because we got to remember, this is a criminal case. The former president is inside a primary race right now for re-election as president of the United States. He is going to have to be here every single day. He is required to be here every single day. This is also a Class E felony. If he is found guilty, he can serve up to 4 years in prison. And because it's a state prosecution, he cannot pardon himself if he is reelected as president of the United States. Joan Mika.